In the suit instituted, the plaintiff had prayed for an order of the court to suspend the use of internet voting and to order the adoption of electronic voting with paper ballot as backup for all branches across the country. He also wants the court to nullify his disqualification by the NBA Electoral Committee and to declare him sole candidate for the office of the National Publicity Secretary. At the hearing on Monday, the defendants presented stiff opposition to his prayers while challenging the jurisdiction of the court to determine the plaintiff's grants. They contended that the evidences tendered to argue his case are contradictory and requires due amendment in line with the provisions of Section 114 of the Evidence Act 2011. The defendants therefore urged the court to strike out the suit for lacking merit.
The plaintiff in the suit has no local standard. Having regard to the documents they are submitted to the court vis-a-vis the reliefs is seeking in the originating summons. And our argument is that the documents that are submitted to court do not bear his name. All the documents do not bear the name of the plaintiff himself. So what we are saying that the plaintiff is not the one that was, for instance, disqualified. He never applied to contest any office in the NBA because the document is submitted said otherwise. So we have joint issues with him, and again, I will urge that you allow
They disqualified him, saying that he is not a lawyer called to the bar, that is not in private practice, and just for that reason, disqualified him. And then he felt that the reason why he was because he had just served as the National Publicity Secretary of the Nigerian Bar Association. So he came to court like a lawyer to come and contest his disqualification. And then, because he's a candidate in the election, he was now challenging the transparency of the Nigerian Bar Association's election, which is introducing internet voting, which we say is different from e-voting as provided in the Constitution of the Nigerian Bar Association.
Justice Olukayode Adeniyi has since adjourned till Friday, July 29 for ruling on the case, which also has the NBA National President Austin Alege and 4 others as parties. Matthew Igoche, PTV News, Abuja.